Some material may be inappropriate for children under 13.
This was Raga Rookie. Fritters, steamy fry. All of the fritters, them steamy fry. Steamy fry. Come tell about bush steamy, not a lie. Fritters says steamy fry. Fritters, them says.
Slap mad. Backbush TV, like and subscribe. Right now, tune after tune after tune after tune. I will say the war that got done. The war not done. None of them man are not forfeiting of the war. All of these guys is just sticking to the rules and playing by the order of the game. Yes. Backbush TV, like and subscribe. KHAGO drop a next song, but we just jump in it again and hear what I go on. That's so easy we do it. Yes. Backbush TV, like and subscribe. Not 30, no normality in this, you know. I talk about save. No, save nobody. No church. Bumbuckler, the only thing I got save are the two tombstone being grave. When them rifle are wave, we take the war to a higher octane. When I take them rifle to higher octane. Jesus Christ, you hear them rhyme there? Jesus, the metaphors there. You must say, I take it to a higher octane, you know, but a higher octane, him say, I really take them rifle too, in a sense, as well. If you don't know, you need to go ask them.
Sit down.
Boy, I talk about dead what? Lone copper in a head what? You know, him head him a go get copper shot. I have to the man say, nah, your head him a go put some shot, bro, and I'm chatting that's so. That's so easy him kill you. Backbush TV, like and subscribe. The war just mad and just outrageous. We love it. It's so go easy we do it. Then at the war boy catch school confit. Blow up. Now run for retreat. And put the rapid them. Them a run for retreat. Man say put the rap and put the thing them for repeat. There is no escape. That's why KHAGO this a fling tune left, right, and center. Him a talk about retreat. Me put them thing upon repeat. That means drop one. Jeez. Not even funeral now, kid. That means no rum now got drink and no food, no fish and bread. None of them thing there, brother. That's so easy we do it. That's so easy when we do it. Head fly well gone. Head bumbuckler. Head fly well drop a ground like shop. We'll pull it back and hear for that thing. Backbush TV, like and subscribe. Share. That's so easy we do it. I obtain this. Okay, I taught a couple lines from a scrapbook. I don't know. We turn it up to this after that a bigger. Bumbo clock, the man say him never lose a fight, him always win it. So the warrior him not done it now. I win the man same thing there in a back bush. If him now win, he might broke the buckle. Bumbo clad. He might run for retreat. Me just stuck the thing and repeat. Him get buried under cold concrete. No coffin nah read. Nothing nah keep. No fish nah give away. Nothing nah give away, bro. What got happen to him? We hear what got happen to him. No funeral nah keep. That's how easy we do it. So your body are gonna just disappear. No funeral nah go keep. Nothing nah go keep. That's how easy we do it. Nothing no fear me.
Bumbo clad.
Nothing can save him. We not talk about save. And only thing I got save a tombstone for him grave. Jesus save. Pull it back. See? Bumbuckler. We nah bow about them grounds for the dollar. Backbush TV, you remember the black war go on. You remember the allegations where them did, you know what I mean? I nah go there so now, but you don't know, you nah listen to war, but Okay, so him want act like him a bad man. Him want behave like him a bad man, but KHAGO I tell we say him is not a bad man. Him not have no gun soldier like Warrington. You know, Warrington, Clarendon, that are who? Warrington from Clarendon. You know who that? Merciless, the dog will drop out. R.I.P. to him, is it? Yeah, man, the man say him not have no composer, him not have nothing like Warrington. Bad man. You see the boy let we down Clarendon, you know, see the boy not have no gun pose at night. Warrington. See my set, you know? I'll know the boy can make a real war song, man, a bad man. Pull back that part there, cause that part there connect. And go back. Backbush, go back.
Pull up the tune! Pull up the tune!
Who tell the boy for this the war scholar? The man said get scholarship in him war. So who is this I obtain guy want this the war scholar? That is the question.
Some
Okay,
material may
bad
be
man.
inappropriate for
Boy,
children
man,
under
fella.
13.
You see the boy let it down Clarendon. I'll know the boy can make a real hit song. Man a bad man from Senton. Okay. Hit top. Backbush Thief, you not hear that song, yeah? That's how easy we do it.
Some material may be inappropriate for children under 13.
Well, now stop that one up and repeat. I think a bang bang repeat this. I think a bang bang redeem this. I don't know, sure. 100% sure, but it a bang. That's so easy we do it, Backbush TV. Like and subscribe. That's so easy we do it. I am KHAGO. Fling beer bomb over OCTANE yard. Just like that. No chattings in anything. You know what I mean? Backbush TV. So Backbush TV, like and subscribe. We'll wait for KHAGO drop a next tune. 3 hours ago, KHAGO dropped that tune, yeah. So easy we do it. So I think them will hold it off until the weekend. I don't know if the man them are gonna come back and retaliate. I don't know if OCTANE is gonna come back and release a next song, even though him just released a song named 14 Karat. You never hear him after KHAGO. Is just a video. Him have the visual as well fit as well, Backbush TV. The visual there, so you can go over to OCTANE page and go check out that. But him drop one song 14 hours. I don't know if that did supposed to relate to one of the KHAGO song them. No. I don't think so. Him just drop. Yeah, him just drop that gun song then him have to walk with them gun them daily, yeah. I don't know which one of them he might try to counteract, but in this song them really OCTANE really counteract the song them. Him just do a song. You know what I mean? So Backbush TV, like and subscribe. Tell me what you think. The Warrior, we like the war. You need to go check out and something, man. No bias in the war. Backbush TV. We try to run this war very fair. We don't want no man to say we are biased the war. You know? So Backbush TV, like and subscribe. We're there. Up it up. Mad.